Hello, Dr. Grego again, back with you here on Raw Health. Thanks for joining me. This week we have a pretty disgusting topic, and I'd like to ask you all out there, especially the women, how many of you would like to drink horse urine? That's right, I said horse urine. Well, maybe you wouldn't drink it, but you certainly take it in a pill form if you've had a hysterectomy or a partial hysterectomy, or you're on any kind of hormone replacement therapy, because that's exactly what Premarin, Provera, and Primpro are. And if you look at the name, especially Premarin, you kind of see where they got the ingredients. PRE is short for pregnant. MAR is short for mare, which is a female horse, of course. And then IN is short for urine. So when you put it all together, you're actually drinking or taking synthesized pregnant mare urine. Yum! Can I have more? So basically what's going on then, if you listen to the TV commercials, you'll know at the end, of course, that nice announcer comes on and says, Premarin might not be for everybody. Check with your doctor first. Some of the major side effects are uterine cancer. What? So I save my breasts, I don't get breast cancer, but I end up with uterine cancer. So I look good in the coffin because my breasts are still there, but I'm still in a coffin. That's not okay, is it? So we need to stop taking pregnant mare's urine and maybe do something a little more natural. Maybe something like Total Female that has black cohosh, blue cohosh. It has pregnenolone, which is the mother of all hormones. It also has DHEA. It also has wild yam extract, which is a bioidentical hormone for progesterone, which is a direct precursor to make estrogen, into making estrogen. How neat, how cool. And there is no uterine cancer. And if you're wondering why would I get uterine cancer as a result of taking horse urine, first of all, it shouldn't be that much of a stretch, should it? But the reality is that we as males have 4 routes of elimination. We have our breath, we have our skin, we have our urine and our feces. And then of course you women have that special route of elimination every month. You guys have a really fun thing happen to you, don't you? Or mood swings, you kind of like at Six Flags. Everybody just loves to be around you. And of course I'm talking about your menstrual cycle, right? And so what is a menstrual cycle? Well, you're actually sloughing off or getting rid of the first 2 layers of your uterus. Now why would you do that? Because the fastest route out of any toxin or contaminant in the body is through our mucous membranes. And of course the uterus is a pretty big mucous membrane. And so if you were taking something like, I don't know, horse urine, and it needed to come out fast, it might come out through your uterus. And as it's coming out, it might acidify the tissues around the uterus and thereby allowing cancer to come in or grow. And so that's why you end up with good breasts but bad uterus and still in the coffin. So let's not take horse urine. Let's do something better instead, like Total Female by NutraWest, and you can get it here at our office. So this is Dr. Grego signing off for another week, saying leave the horse urine alone. Do something a little bit more natural for yourself, because your health, your family's health, and more important, your children are looking at you. You really don't want your children to drink horse urine or to take a synthesized horse pee. Do you? No, I didn't think so. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you next week on Raw Health.